the middle way approach is the most sensible and pragmatic way.
I support the middle way approach.
I support the middle way approach.
This kind of approach can potentially serve as an inspirational model for many conflict areas in different parts of the world. It's grounded in a real appreciation of the complexity of today's world.
I support the middle way approach.
This is a practical way to have freedom on the ground in a united Tibet.
I support the middle way approach because it allows for the Tibetan inhabited areas within the People's Republic of China to be under a single administration and have meaningful autonomy.
I support middle way approach.
This is an idea whose time is coming.